Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you 3 different types of single crochet stitches: regular single crochet, cross stitch single crochet, and waistcoat stitch or center post stitch single crochet. To make it clearer to see, I'll use a thicker yarn for the demonstration. Let's start with the regular single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch. Put the yarn on top of the hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook to complete the stitch. As you can see, the regular single crochet creates a V-shaped pattern, but the V's are staggered and not aligned vertically. This method is simple and great for beginners. The work made with regular single crochet is soft and has some stretch. It's often used for making clothes, scarves, hats, and gloves. Next, we have the cross stitch single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch, but unlike the regular single crochet, we need to place the yarn under the hook. Pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook to complete the stitch. The cross stitch single crochet creates an X-shaped pattern that looks like a cross. The stitch is thicker and more durable. It's often used in amigurumi, as the holes between stitches are very small, so the stuffing won't be showing through. Let's compare the regular single crochet and the cross stitch single crochet. The fabric made with the regular single crochet is larger than that made with the cross stitch single crochet. Here I used 4-strand cotton yarn, which is commonly used for amigurumi. This is regular single crochet, and this one is cross stitch. You can see clearly that the one with regular single crochet is larger and softer, while this one from the cross stitch single crochet is smaller and denser. Now let's talk about the waistcoat single crochet or center post stitch. This stitch also creates a V-shaped pattern, but the way you insert the hook is different. Insert the hook into the center of the V of the stitch and out through the back of the V. Let me show you. Insert the hook into the middle of the V. Put the yarn on top of the hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook. Let's do another one. Insert the hook into the middle of the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and complete the stitch. Try to keep your stitches very loose. It helps when you are trying to insert the hook. The waistcoat single crochet creates a thicker, sturdy stitches, often used for making bags, especially for the bottom of the bag, as well as coasters and basket. You can see that it also forms a V-shaped pattern. The V's are neatly aligned, creating a clear striped texture and consistent look, while the V's in regular single crochet are not nicely aligned. Waistcoat single crochet looks beautiful, but it's a little difficult work compared with the other two and challenging for beginners. You can try this out and see which one you like best.